Hello everyone. Now I want to explain and show to you how to get probability of standard normal distribution by using CASIO FX570ES Plus second edition, which is the new launch of CASIO item for calculator scientific that is can be used in SPM level in Malaysia. So now we start by looking at the question of normal distribution on the next slide. Alright, here is the question. Given Z is a continuous random variable for the standard normal distribution, find probability of Z score between negative 2.1 and 1.2. So right now here is the scientific calculator FX570ES Plus second edition in software form. So that I can show you easily by using this screen recording. Alright class, so now when you read the question here as a standard normal distribution, so that this is a normal distribution that we need to draw the usual curve of normal bell, okay, in the bell shape. So it is looks like this. Alright, and here is the what we can call like y-axis, okay, function of z score. Here is a x-axis, here is 0. Alright, when it is a negative 2.1 and 1.2, we can put negative 2.1 right here. Left side of 0, negative 2.1, and positive 1.2 is around here. Alright, and then the straight line is around here. The shaded region will be like this. Okay. Alright, for the use of calculator, you have to know that basically we can divide by 3 parts. Here is P, here is Q, here is R. The position of Q will be in the middle part of the normal curve, which is lies on the center of normal curve. So right here, the shaded region we can say like region Q. Okay, region Q that can be used in scientific calculator by using statistic distribution for normal. So that we start now. We go to mode. Alright, we go to statistic 3, and we can see here there are words stat here, statistic, and next we go to right here button 1, statistic shift 1. Okay, it will show you 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this for statistic. And now we are doing distribution. Right, distribution 5. Okay, normal distribution will show you PQR, like what I have told you and explained you just now. The use of calculator, we can follow this rule: P, Q, and R based on the shaded region draw in the solution. Right now our diagram is like this, and the value is negative 2.1 and 1.2 by using Q mode. Okay, right now we choose Q2. Okay, we put the value of negative 2.1 first because the question is a Z score between negative 2.1 and 1.2. Right here, negative 2.1 bracket plus. Okay, right here it is between we use button plus and we do again the Q. It is a shift statistic. Go to distribution and choose Q. Okay, we will show you one more Q. And then we put number 1.2 close bracket and equal. The answer will give you shaded region 0.86707. So the answer is for probability of normal distribution Z between negative 2.1 and 1.2 is equal to 0.86707. So right here, the calculator scientific I already show you the use of calculator in finding normal distribution for shaded region P or shaded region Q or shaded region R. Okay, this example show you for shaded region Q. Then the step for another question that use shaded region P and R also using the same method. The use of calculator also the same, but you just pick P or you pick R.